So when you get the iPad, it comes in a box like this. Keep in mind the iPad's about $100. That's a great price. Under the iPad, there's a little container. Inside the container, that's where you'll find the charger for the iPad. Funny story, I'll admit I messed up, but last week somebody bought an iPad and for some reason a charger wasn't included. She ended up reaching out letting us know she didn't have a charger. She was super nice about it. Some customers not as nice about it. So we apologized and basically we gave her 3 fast charger bundles for free since we messed up. Ever since then, we manually check every box just to make sure there's an iPad charger on the inside. But don't forget this iPad is $100. Make sure you tap in.